How to add overlay in CapCut PC. Want to stack videos, images, or text on top of your footage? Let's add overlays in CapCut PC. So first, you need to import the main clip on your timelines. For example, this is my main clip. So I want to add an overlay such as a background for this. So I'll simply drag the background into the timeline and then make sure that you place the background on the main timeline and the other video above it, so that if you want to place the background below the main video, make sure that the main video is above the background. So it would look like this. So that is how you can basically add overlay in CapCut PC.